Hi everybody, it's Therese. I'm having one of those days. I don't know why, but I had 3 packages delivered to me. I thought they were entries to, one of them is an entry to my challenge. The other 2 is something I won off of off another person's channel, and another person that just gave me something just because. So, oh my gosh. Okay, so this video is for Lisa Goss, who is my second entry to my IC challenge. And here is her beautiful IC. I filmed this like 3 times. This is my 3rd time. So, excuse me, Lisa. I'm so sorry. I thought they were entry. I should have looked. Well, I didn't really know for sure. Oh my goodness. Okay, anyway. So this is her beautiful IC card. And then on the back, I will go through the card. I went through the card a couple times already. Okay. She's happycrafter here on YouTube, and I'll have her link down below, guys. Her birthday is November 28th. Her favorite colors are red, pink, and brown. She loves shabby, but when she crafts IC, she likes the clean and simple look. And she loves the scoreboard. So who does not, you know? Awesome. I love it. I love it. This is so pretty. I love the polka dots in the background. And this, I don't know if this is Nouveau drops or it's probably Nouveau drops. I think I have one Nouveau drops in my collection. Mermaids have more fun. It's so pretty. And she sent me this beautiful card thanking me that she's so glad to be part of my challenge, and she hopes I like it. Of course, I love it. It is so adorable, and she was nice enough to give me some creations. I love handmade things, so those are always welcome. I just have way too much though. So, but thank you so much for putting these together. Wow, they're so incredible. What paper is this? This is probably from a paper line, these mermaids that I do not know of. So this is so pretty, and thank you so much, Lisa, for joining my IC challenge. And I'll have her link down below, guys, so you can go and check her out. If you haven't subbed to her already, go ahead and send her some YouTube love from everybody from here to there. So, oh, I wanted to just show you real quick, her packaging is adorbs. They're so cute. I love all this washi tape. This looks like pineapples and ice cream. So cute. So thank you so much, Lisa, for participating, and I'll be back with another video, guys. Bye.